Alright, what's going on YouTube? Today I'm going to be switching out the stock Glock connector on my Glock 19 Gen 4 for a double diamond 3.5 pound connector. As always, when working with a firearm, you want to make sure it's safe, so remove the magazine, make sure that it is safe. Let's go ahead and break her down. Alright, first we're going to remove the locking block pin. And then we're going to move the trigger pin. I want to get the tension from the slide release off of it, so we'll just lift it up and then push it forward, and then hopefully it'll just pop right out. Let's go ahead and get the locking block out of there. Comes out relatively easy. And then we'll get the slide stop out. And then we just gotta remove the trigger housing pin. It comes out pretty easy. So trigger housing pin, trigger pin, and the locking block pin. And let's go ahead and pull out the trigger assembly. Here's the trigger assembly. This is the part that we'll be switching out, the connector. And it just fits in housing right there. If it's anything like the Glock 43, crucifix just gets wiggled right out. We'll go ahead and get this connector out. Take a look at the differences between the two. Alright, so here is the double diamond connector. The double diamond has a little bit more of an angle to it. Let's go ahead and get this thing back together. Alright, now that that's back together, let's go ahead and do a little functions check. Let's see what the pull is like. Feels a little lighter. The reset. Oh, it feels like it resets almost where there's no more mush. Let's check it out again. And it's all the way back.